Good afternoon, Chairman Bell and Vice Chair Zwiener. My name is Selene Rodriguez. I represent the Texas Public Policy Foundation, and I am testifying in support of this bill. House Bill 323 is a simple bill that makes a great impact. While Texas does have the required use of E-Verify for state contractors, higher education, and sexually oriented businesses, this is a logical next step in expanding those requirements. Because the United States has ample employment opportunities, there are incentives to enter our country illegally and/or overstay visas. A reliable and mandatory employment eligibility verification system, along with enhanced enforcement, will deter illegal immigration and therefore increase our state's border security efforts. Those who are ineligible to work in the United States due to their status will often pay a substantial amount of money for counterfeit documents to falsify eligibility to work in the United States. E-Verify helps detect these types of documents, thus protecting employers and discouraging the use of criminal networks in Texas. While critics of E-Verify have concerns with tentative non-confirmations, according to USCIS, in 2024, 98.14% of employers were automatically confirmed as work authorized, either instantly or within 24 hours. Of the 1.86 of employees who received initial system mismatches, 0.02% were later confirmed as work authorized after taking action, and 1.67% were not found to be work authorized. According to a 2017 report by the Federal Reserve Bank of Dallas, the number of unauthorized immigrants and/or unauthorized immigrant workers fell below what would have been expected absent E-Verify in 5 states: Alabama, Arizona, Georgia, Mississippi, and Utah. E-Verify dissuades illegal immigration by targeting one of its main drivers, the lure of jobs. Effective statewide E-Verify expansion and implementation is part of a larger effort to limit illegal immigration. While this does not solve all of the problems of illegal immigration, it is a step towards getting it under control. This is effective in upholding the rule of law and serves as an essential component of a sound policy framework. It prevents employers from taking advantage of unauthorized workers, as well as safeguards the jobs of American citizens and lawful residents. Requiring the use of E-Verify for all public service employment in Texas can help ensure that taxpayers are not subsidizing the employment of people without proper work authorization. House Bill 323 aids that effort by extending E-Verify requirements to political subdivisions, and we thank you for your consideration of this bill.
Thank you very much. Any questions from the dais? Thank you for your Oh, we do have one. Representative Luther.
Hi.
Yes, ma'am.
Is TPPF in support of requiring E-Verify for all employers or just government?
For right now, just government, but it is something we're considering, and we're happy to work with the author of this legislation in this committee to consider those types of requirements as well. Thank you.
Thank you. Representative Lowe.
Hi, thank you for coming today. So how much will it cost? What's the cost burden on businesses for implementing E-Verify?
Thank you. E-Verify currently is free to use. Most users, especially within the government entities, have noted that it's fairly easy. The main burden would be just having to keep up with new rules or requirements, but I think that is a small price to pay.
What is your prediction? Let's say we implement E-Verify, which obviously, as you mentioned, jobs creates a magnet here in Texas for illegal immigration. But if we implement this and people can't get jobs that are not supposed to be here, what happens to them?
If we implement this and people get jobs that are unauthorized to work?
No. What will happen to those folks that are trying to work here, but after we implement E-Verify, that are not supposed to be here?
Yes, so historically, if a person receives a feedback saying that they are not authorized to work, it just ends there. They go on to alternate employment opportunities. For the most part, it's not reported to ICE, though that is something that has been recommended at the national level.
Okay. All right. Thank you.